I will talk about how can you enable news and tips notifications on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings here. You come to next step here, then you click here on push notifications. So you click here on push notifications here. You click here on go to settings. So then you click here on notification categories here. You come here to news and tips, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here news and tips enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.